Like,
Good morning, everyone. Today is May 21, 2026, and we will have our video conference for three infrastructure projects, namely 26FB0005, Organizational Outcome. Number one, ensure safe and reliable national road system asset preservation program, construction, upgrading, rehabilitation of drainage along national roads, secondary roads, Legazpi City, Punta Road, K0573 plus 100 to K0573 plus 847 and 26FB0006 organizational outcome, ensure safe and reliable national road system asset preservation program, construction, upgrading, rehabilitation of drainage along national roads, secondary roads, Legazpi City, Punta Road, K0577 plus 500 to K0578 plus 510, K0578 plus 552.10 to K0578 plus 650. And last, 26FB0007 organizational outcome, ensure safe and reliable national road system as preservation program, construction, upgrading, rehabilitation of drainage along national roads, secondary roads, Legazpi City, on the Dinasus Road, K0572 plus 455, K0573 plus 075. Before we begin, I would like to introduce the present members of the BAC. We have Engineer Agnes Padua, regular member. We have Engineer Rodolfo Magdaleno Jr., provisional member. And Mr. Richard De Jesus, provisional member. Yours truly, Maria Cristina Tianjula, the back vice chairperson. With us our back head secretariat, Engineer Maria George Zamugjo, and member of our back secretariat, Mr. Erwin Martinez, and our member of the technical working group, Engineer Ruth Imperial. We also have our project engineers, the assigned project engineers, Engineer Joy Diaz and Engineer Kurt Climaco, and the assigned project inspector, Engineer Sabina Caballas. May I turn over the floor to Engineer Rosalie now to discuss the project details for the three projects.
For 26FB005, with title Organizational Outcome 1, ensure safe and reliable national road system, asset preservation program, construction, upgrading, rehabilitation of drainage along national roads, secondary roads, Legazpi City, Punta de Jesus, with limits of K053 plus 100 to K0573 plus 847. The location is at Manito Albay with length of 754 linear meter. So the scope of work is the total of 754 linear meters of canal works will be undertaken. Of these, 581 linear meters on the left side will be upgraded from an open line canal to a closed line canal with curb and gutter, including the removal of the existing open line canal and concrete paving of the earth shoulder. The remaining 173 linear meters on the right side will involve the construction of a new closed line canal with curb and gutter. The project also includes the construction of stone masonry on the right side with a total volume of 70 cubic meters. The approved budget for the contract is 14,312,339.66. The project location is at Manito Albay with project duration of 192 calendar days. So this is the equipment requirement for the project. Next. And this shows the beginning and the end of the project, the full stretch traverse. And this shows the during site validation, the general photos with coordinates showing the beginning and the end of the project. This also shows the straight line diagram showing the scope of work of the project. And this is the typical cross-section showing the major scope of work, which is the drainage. Yan.
Is there any question from especially from the lieutenant using phone?
Magkano ito ng protection sa nagpag-ibig pa kayo sa Jeka, Japan. Hindi, gusto nagkaroon ba gusto mo sunod mo din?
Ayun, sa straight line diagram. Sa straight line diagram.
Nagpag-ibig po kaya tayo na si Jeka.
Tagal months na.
Binabasa kaya kung stone mask. Hindi.
Tumatamalig sa straight line
May
diagram.
ma-cover kang kanal, itataas ito. Curving gutter.
Sayang. Ano kayo ang papatay niya?
Loob sa kaya curtain gutters sa National Road, kaya puro sa mga curtain gutters mga
Kaya ang kanal guard, mapantay na sa city.
Ha?
Ang kanal guard, mapantay
Pero
sa
yan,
Kaya stone mask.
mga estimate ko yan sa pirima-pirma ko mga 3 to 4 meters. Kung mapantay mo natin ang
Sa kanya pawa yan mismo.
Wala. Baba ko, Ulugan Bridge.
Kapos itong curving gutter.
Ano kaya Ulugan Bridge na?
Yeah, tama. Paano yan? Stone mask ang nilita.
Ulugan Bridge na po yung pasarin ko. Approach na po yan. Thank you.
The other issue of concern. The very inland. Proceed to the next question.
The next is 25FP006, Organizational Outcome 1. Ensure safe and reliable national road system, asset preservation program, construction, upgrading, rehabilitation of drainage along national roads, secondary roads, Legazpi City-Punta de Jesus, with limits of K0577 plus 500 to K0578 plus 510, and then K0578 plus 552.10 to K578 plus 650. Location is at Balabagong Maligo Albay, with length of 981 linear meters. So the scope of work is 843 linear meters on the right side and 60 linear meters on the left side of line canal with curb and gutter for section 1, and 70 linear meters on the right side of line canal with curb and gutter for section 2, paving of earth shoulder, and 51 cubic meter of stone masonry, with an approved budget for the contract of 21,832,820.39, with project location at Manito Albay and a project duration of 236 calendar days. These are the equipment requirement for the project. And the location map, the full stretch traverse showing the beginning of the project section 1 and the beginning of the project for section 2 and the end of the project. The geotag photos during the validation with geotag showing the beginning and the end of the project. The straight line diagram showing the scope of work. And the roadway section showing the scope of work of upgrading of the drainage.
So, are there any issues and concerns in the input discussion from the given
Kaya ito lang, survey lang record.
Ang meron ito. Ang right of way, pag may problema sa right of way, ipapagay.
Alam mo, baris na.
Will there be issues and concerns for this project? Let's proceed to the last one.
25FP0007, Organizational Outcome 1, ensure safe and reliable national road system, asset preservation program, construction, upgrading, rehabilitation of drainage along national roads, secondary roads, Legazpi City-Punta Road, K0572/055, K0573/75. The length is 653 linear meters. The scope of work is 533 linear meter on the right side and 123 linear meters on the left side of line canal with curb and gutter and paving of earth shoulder with an approved budget for the contract of 11,813,306 and 6 cents. The project location is at Albay with project duration of 174 calendar days. The equipment requirement and the full stretch traverse showing the beginning and the end of the project, showing the location and also the vicinity. And the photos with geotag showing the beginning and the end of the project. Oh, yes po. Ang ano na po kata, pag national road yan, upgrade na po kata ang mga lines na
Week na building that one. 67.
hindi yun na nakala na naka-access sa type.
Mas na yun.
Hindi kaya nga nagkari sa likod sa kaya. Maway din kaya.
Hindi man kita.
Malam.
Iyo na lang yan.
Malam lang din. So, kasi 1.2 plus.
Masadit pa. Masadit pa. I'm sure there was only one.
Pwede.
1.87 lang yun.
My God. Oo na kung bakit napanalo.
Pero nandiyan mo sa may
Kami nga nasa dengan ito 0.5 na sa nito.
Ay, that's straight line diagram showing the scope of work. And the typical roadway section showing the major scope of work which is the upgrade of the linear.
1.87 meters na dapat mo po.
Kumbaga, sipunta pa din.
Yeah, allows.
Allows mo. Yes po.
It's Julie. Nag-upgrade na yan. Tapos na na siya ulit, nag-upgrade na nasunod. Kaso yun lang ang alam. Oo.
Kaya hindi nag-widen.
Wala na pasabit yan eh.
Wala.
Wala na sila
This is shoulder, wala. Kasi kapag
Ngayon sa mga post po, kung sa weight 48 na lang.
Instead na ako pala kasi tayo
yan, ito plano ko lang yun. Sa actual ka.
kasi balis pa
Pwede
yun.
nga ito, 67, ito, 48. Sabi mo, parang sa nakagaya,
Ako mo ka, hindi dito sa nag-maintain mo.
Kaya nga rin national ko ta, anak ko ta. Ibis pa lang ba? Basta,
Siguro may mga problem tayo.
Oo, okay. Papaganda din ako sa
Ayan lang na ito.
meron ako yun. Huwag hindi ka.
project ka rin natin. Murayo na, nagbangon. Ang buko yung atin. Weight niya naman, nasa 2.5. Ano ko lang susunod na nito, yun na yan. Kaya tinapos ko naman siya. Kaya mo sila yung sila na ako.
Sige, taro yan sa mga kwan. Meron na
Tapos masuk po sila nag-set ko sa gitna ng way. Pero anyway,
Any more?
Sa construction ka. Sa plan, ito yun ang person. Pero pag sa construction ka, ang role lang yan.
That's the end of our reference. Everyone.
Tapos na.
Okay.